Large current is one of the common problems of phone repair. Since there are lots of related components, the damaged component is hard to detect. An infrared thermal camera is typically used to quickly detect the faulty part. Today we will repair an iPhone with the latest LinkSeek infrared thermal camera. LinkSeek infrared thermal camera is used to check the temperature of components on the phone to see if the PCB is short-circuited. The thermal imager can quickly detect faulty parts with simple operation. In addition, it can quickly detect small current leakage of 5 mA and short-circuited capacitors. Vision and thermal modes enable it to detect faulty parts without a microscope. Next, we use the thermal imager to fix an iPhone 11 Pro Max with large current. The phone is unable to boot up. Lift the screen. Disconnect the battery. Connect the motherboard with a power cable. The ammeter shows a current of 1 ampere. The phone has large current while the boot up hasn't been triggered. Therefore, it can be judged that the fault is on the main power supply circuit and related components. Next, remove the motherboard. Measure the diode value of the battery connector with the multimeter. The diode value is 314, which is normal. Then we put the motherboard on the solder with a soldering iron at 380 degrees Celsius. Apply some solder mask to the bonding pads that have been repaired.